Hello, I'm Doug, your host, and welcome to Traveled Man. Today we're going to be talking about 16 different items available from Amazon that I consider to be travel must-haves. Every time I travel, I take these items with me, and I use them all the time. So let's start out with Downy Wrinkle Release Spray. It comes in a 3-ounce bottle, which means it's TSA approved for your carry-on, and it comes in a 2-pack. It's got the crisp linen scent, so all you do is spray it back and forth on your hanging garment, wait about 5 or 6 minutes, and the wrinkles will be gone. Now, of course, it has a warning if you have young children, do not drink, but, I mean, come on, who doesn't want crisp linen scent breath? And these two here are priced under $10. Next on the list, we have 3-ounce travel-size bottles. It comes in a set of 5 by Lisa Pack. It comes with a flip-top lid, and you just unscrew it, put whatever liquid you want in there, either body wash, shampoo, hand sanitizer, and it comes with these little stickers, so it identifies whatever you have in there. These come in assorted different colors, and a set of 5 is under $10. Next on the list is something that I never travel without. It is the Bajakac 25-ounce insulated water bottle. It's a great thing to have, and it keeps cold drinks cold for 24 hours and hot drinks hot for 12 hours. It's great to take through TSA, take it through empty, then you can fill it up afterwards, coffee, water, whatever you want, and the cost is under $14. Next on the list is something that I think a lot of people will like, because a lot of cruise lines now are coming out with candy straws or paper straws that just don't hold up to the task. So, buy Kind-Up metal collapsible reusable straws. Oh, they come in many different colors. This one here is black, gold, blue, and silver. They come in their own little individual containers. You have a brush to clean it out. And then you extend it and just collapse it back in, wash it, and you're good to go again for the next time. So, what you do, if you want to take it with you, you can always put it on your keychain. So it's a metal collapsible straws by Kind-Up, many different colors, and the cost is around $10. Next on the list is a great product by Finty. It's an 11-inch iPad holder for a 10th generation iPad. It's a rotating case, and it has a built-in pencil holder. So what you want to do, open it right up. You've got one setting here. Then you have a little bit lower right there. The case itself allows the iPad to rotate. And you've got a built-in pencil holder right here on the top. I love this. Whenever I travel, I can do my work, I can watch my movies, and this is fantastic. And the price is under $20. Next on the list is the Matane Cable Organizer Bag for electronics. It's waterproof, and the dimensions are 10 inches by 4.72 inches by 8.85 inches. It's great for storing charging cords, earbuds, GoPro, plugs, adapters, and what it does, it has 3 different sections. The first section here, you've got elastic band right here for some cords, and then you have a second area right here with a zipper, and then you have a sectioned, larger section on the bottom. And the nice thing about the bottom is that you could always remove one section and then just replace it. So if you wanted to move it, say, from here to here, you can. It's a great bag. I use it all the time. So this is the Matane cable organizer bag for electronic cables, and it costs around $25. Next on the list is a security item for your luggage, and I use it all the time and I absolutely love it. It's a product by Anvil, and it's a TSA approved combination luggage lock. And it comes with easy to read windows, and all you do is you set your combination, unlock it, put it onto your luggage, turn the numbers, and you're locked. It comes in a 2-pack, and the cost is around $12. Next on the list is a luggage security item that I love. I never travel without it. What it is that a stainless steel looped aircraft cable that I call my luggage lock cables. They come in 10-inch, 12-inch, 14-inch, and 20-inch lengths. This is one of mine right here. It comes in a pack of 10. And unfortunately, sometimes people will try to get into your luggage, and if you have a zippered bag, they can take a pen and just break through the zipper, go into your bag, zip it up, and you'll never know, even if it's locked. But if you take this, what I do is I take one end and I lock it onto the zipper. Then I take this end and I loop it around the handle like this. Then what I do is I put the other looped end around the lock. So therefore, if somebody tries to get in with a pen, they can't move the zipper over to close it back up because it's secured with this. It's a very, very good and inexpensive peace of mind for travel. And it costs just under $15. Next on the list is something that I think everybody needs when they travel, because we're all concerned about that luggage weight now. Because if you're 1 pound over, we know the airlines are going to charge us extra. Well, this right here is by Travel Inspira. What it is, it's a portable luggage scale with a weight capacity of 110 pounds or 50 kilograms. You have the button right here. Press it to turn it on, and it has pounds, kilograms, and it also gives you temperature in centigrade and Fahrenheit. What you do is you take this right here, loop it around the luggage handle, then just clip it right on here, and then it gives you the weight of the bag. That way you never guess what your weight is, so you're not going to worry about paying that overweight charge at the airport. This is around $10. Next on the list is something very cool, and let's face it, who doesn't like cool? This is the 67-inch smartphone selfie stick and tripod stand all in one with integrated wireless. You've got a button right here, and you can pair this to your smartphone. Then press the button and you can take a picture or a video. In order to make it a tripod, you've got a button right here on the bottom. Press that button and the legs will open right up. And there's your tripod. As you open the legs, the top will pop out. When the legs are open, it's about a 10.2-inch stance or 34 centimeters. If you're interested in making a selfie stick, grab the top and just pull it right out. And here is your selfie stick. Press it down to compress it. So here it is, the 67-inch smartphone selfie stick by ToneOff, and the price is under $25. Life is better in headphones. This is the Soundcore Anchor Life Q20 headphones. The hybrid active noise cancelling feature is amazing. It's wireless, over-the-ear Bluetooth. It's got 60-hour playtime, high-resolution deep bass, and memory foam ear cups. Now, here you have your noise cancelling button. You have your on-off button. Here you have your charging ports. Then here you have your volume control. I take these headphones every time I travel. On the plane, if I'm in mixed company and I want to watch a movie or listen to music, these are a go-to. I love these, and they're priced under $40. Next on the list is something that I never go on a cruise without. This is the Lyrid's rechargeable battery motion sensor nightlight. It has an optional adhesive pad in the back if you want to mount it somewhere. And it comes in a 2-pack. Now, I always love these because I'll put one in the stateroom and one in the bathroom. So at night, you're not walking into things. And believe me, I walked into things. These really help. So what you have is you have the switch here. It's off. Then you have on. Then you have the motion sensor light. I absolutely love this. Can't do without it. And it comes in a 2-pack. And the cost is under $18. This is the 6-piece Nico Show lightweight compression packing cube set. It comes with 2 large, 2 medium, and 2 small. These packing cubes are great because you can fill it right up, and then it has a second zipper which compresses it right down so you can have some extra room in your suitcase. Never travel without these. Absolutely love them. The Nico Show 6-piece lightweight compression packing cube set. Cost is around $20. This is the Baguio 6-piece compression packing cube set. Now Baguio comes in 4-piece, 6-piece, and 8-piece. This is the 6-piece. It comes with 1 large, 1 medium, 1 small. You have your underwear bag, a shoe bag, then you have another shoe bag. And these compression, it's just like the previous ones, whereas open it right up, fill it up, and then just compress it right down for more space in your luggage. The Baguio 6-piece compression packing cube set. The cost is right around $17 to begin with. This next item is something that I never travel without. The Apple AirTag and Apple AirTag holder. These things are absolutely amazing. They help you find your lost luggage or anything else. These AirTags can keep track of your keys, your wallet, your luggage, your backpack, and more. It offers a simple one-tap setup with an iPhone or iPad. And its precision finding ability with ultra-wideband technology is second to none. I have these in every single piece of luggage, my carry-on. Absolutely amazing. You can purchase these AirTags for $24 each, or a pack of 4 for $110. Now these AirTag holders come as a keychain. They're waterproof, they're also anti-scratch, and they're shock resistant. They come in many different colors to choose from. I absolutely love them. You can purchase these for $2.99 each, or a 4-pack for $8.99. Absolutely cannot go wrong, and it's great protection for your AirTag. There's one more extra item that I would like to include in this video, but before I do, if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to help us build this new channel, then please, I ask just to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, because it goes a long way to help the channel, and we're going to have a lot more content coming out in the future. So thank you very much for watching, and please enjoy this last product. This is the Witzman Weekender travel bag. This is my go-to travel bag. It's my carry-on, and it's so versatile. It gives me so much room. You got a little storage right here. Then on your side pocket, you've got plenty of storage here. Also a zipper pocket right here. Then in the center, you have so much more storage, a couple of pockets right there. Then you have even more pockets over here. Then in the side pocket, you've got even more storage room. Then you have another zipper pocket here. And the cool thing about this is that on the bottom, you see the zipper, that is a storage for shoes or anything you really like. Now the dimensions on this bag is 20.87 inches by 9.45 inches by 13 inches. I love this bag. It's made of high quality nylon fabric. Now it's a bit pricey at just under $100, but if you're looking for a good carry-on bag, this is it.